Neural bridge. Let's go. I'll be your backup.
Always can use a proxy. Ready for this?
Likely no joy right ahead, but link up. Do it. Song, you okay? Let me help. Lean on me. Got a train to catch.
Fuck, that hurts.
It's gotta, I know, Sony, but you killed it. Saved our asses.
V, you hear that?
It's the Blackwall. No fear, Song. Right here with you. There you go. Launch pad soon. Finally. Still with me? Holding up? What do you think? Final stretch? Worst behind us.
As I see it, the worst is always what was, not what'll be.
An optimist analyst. How the hell did you ever hold down your job?
Proper work-life balance and separation. Listen to the hum. Wish I could fall asleep, never to wake again.
Hey, don't you doze off on me.
Reed. Had a dream about him recently. A repeat. Same damn nightmare. About that same damn train. Him dying because of what I did.
Could be Reed's having the same nightmares. Heard it all already from him.
He put his trust in you. For a time. Trust we then boldly betrayed.
History. Water under the bridge. Not worth dwelling on.
I can't stop thinking about it.
Actually, think Reed forgave you. Song?
Reed's not the only one I've betrayed.
What do you mean, Song?
Neural Matrix V can only be used once.
Once? How so?
It's a captive AI from beyond the wall. Relies on continuous evolution to exist. I'll free it and end the process. It'll then execute my commands and disintegrate irretrievably.
Couldn't just tell me the truth, Song?
Needed you to help me. Needed to be sure you would.
You fucking serious?
I think I'm gonna die soon. The regret. I wasn't honest with you. I'm sorry.
Could have told me the truth. Would have helped you anyway. Song?
Uppity fuck. Color me impressed. Bird took everyone for a ride. Myers, Hanson, Reed, you.
Not the first time somebody screwed me sideways. Still think I can walk, though.
Your attitude to what life sends your way. So touching sometimes. Woman did you hard and rough, though. Got the right to feel rage, wanna rip her head off. But she stuck it out to the very end. That commands respect.
Fuck all that. Thing is, you and me are back at square one. Still have that problem. Finding some way to save ourselves.
Could always call Reed on the hollow.
Think he'd kill me.
Damn, globe-sized ego, V. You mean zilch to him. One, just one person he's gunning for. Well, nice to drop in and shoot some shit, V. High time you woke her, though.
Hey, Song? Almost there. Clearly, need some help. Nearly there. Ends in sight. Fucking hell.
Stop there.
Look. Look. Putting her down.
Go now.
So, what do you want to do?
You're not taking her anywhere.
Spare me the quote straight out of Bushido 10. Look at her, V. Be serious. You want to send her to the moon? Our neurosurgeons are her only chance.
Back on the roof, Myers ordered her killed. You didn't protest.
You heard it.
Every last word.
The situation's changed. Just leave SongBird to me. I can still help her.
That biz 7 years ago? Song followed Myers' order, then never forgave herself for it. And it'd be the same for you. Remorse to the end of your days.
But this ain't about Song anymore, V. No, this is about her not sparking another war. I'm taking SongBird to Washington. She'll answer for treason. She has to.
Been hiding behind the NUS flag all your life. Come a day, they'll drape it over your casket.
You'll never understand.
Understand a lot more than you do. You ain't doing this for the NUS, or for Myers. Doing this for you alone.
Got it.
You're nothing. No one.
Grow the hell up. Came to terms with my personal failure way back. But caring about Somi, I strove to help her. Well, she shot all over everything I could say in her defense. She's gonna drag you down too. Leave her to me, and save yourself.
Really don't want to shoot you.
Same. Just turn around and walk away.
Can't hand her over. Won't. Out of my way, Reed.
You got 3 seconds. 1,
Reed.
2.
Damn it to hell, Reed! I'm sorry, man.
Too damn late.
Fuck.
You had no choice. But your friend there will join Reed in the Beyond if you don't hurry your ass.
Gonna be okay. One last push. You're bound for the moon, Somi. Getting away from them all. Let's see, what do we got here?
Life support activated.
Diagnostics. Pressure O2, infusion pump.
Computers.
Get that feeling too sometimes. Drop everything, leave it all behind. Wouldn't it be nice? Gently now. Good luck, Song. In spite of it all.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressure sufficient for takeoff. Automatic boot sequence initiated.
Well, no turning back now.
Minus 60 seconds. RS-25 main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters active.
Whatever awaits her in orbit. Hope she ends up happy.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Luck played no part in it, Johnny. You and her just wanted different things.
Really? So do tell. What was it I wanted so badly?
Plus, cheers. Did absolutely everything to please the crowd.
Nah. Maybe. Guess I could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Dunno.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself's some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you can be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0 liftoff.